Today, I will explain in detail about the E-7 visa, which is essential for foreigners who want to work in Korea. To legally work in Korea, you must have a work visa. Among them, the E-7 visa is one of the main work visas that allows long-term employment in Korea. However, many people find the E-7 visa application process difficult. Some feel that the salary requirements are too high and that the document preparation process is complicated. So today, I will explain what the E-7 visa is, who can apply for it, and important things to keep in mind during the application process in an easy and detailed way. At first, what is the E-7 visa? The E-7 visa is a work visa for foreigners who want to work in specific occupations. Simply put, it is a permit that allows foreigners to legally work in Korea. The E-7 visa is divided into 4 categories based on the type of job. E-7-1 visa, professional manpower visa. This visa is for high-skilled professionals such as IT developers, engineers, architects, and designers. E-7-2 visa, semi-professional manpower visa. This visa is for certain technical occupations like hotel front desk staff, chefs, and medical coordinators. E-7-3 visa, general skilled manpower visa. This visa is for skilled workers in fields such as ship welding, ship painting, and animal care. E-7-4 visa, points-based skilled worker visa. This visa is for E-9 visa holders, manual labor workers in manufacturing or agriculture who score at least 200 out of 300 points in a points-based system. Then, what are the application requirements for an E-7 visa? To apply for an E-7 visa, foreigners must meet one of the following 3 conditions. Hold a master's degree in a field related to the company's main business, or hold a bachelor's degree in a related field and have at least 1 year of full-time work experience after graduation, or have at least 5 years of work experience in a relevant field. To prove eligibility, applicants must submit graduation certificates and employment certificates, which must be notarized or apostilled. Next, what are the salary requirements for an E-7 visa? One of the most important criteria for visa approval is salary. To prevent wage discrimination between Korean and foreign workers, the Korean government has set minimum salary requirements. For E-7-1 visa, professional manpower visa, the salary must be at least 80% of the previous year's gross national income, GNI, per capita. As of January 2025, the previous year's GNI is 44 million won, meaning the minimum salary for E-7-1 visa holders is approximately 35.3 million won. However, for small and venture businesses, the threshold is 70% of the previous year's GNI. For E-7-2 to E-7-4 visas, semi-professional and skilled manpower visas, the salary must meet at least the legal minimum wage. Then, what documents are required for the E-7 visa application? Documents required from the company are business registration certificate, corporate registration certificate, tax payment certificate, local tax payment certificate, list of employees covered by the 4 major insurances, list of employees covered by employment insurance. Next, documents required from the foreign applicant are passport, passport-sized photo, alien registration card, university graduation certificate, work experience certificate, and the most important document is the employment justification letter. This document must clearly explain why the company needs to hire this foreign applicant. If the justification is not convincing, the visa application may be rejected. Next, what are the common reasons for E-7 visa rejection? Not all E-7 visa applications are approved. Here are some common reasons for rejection. First, failure to meet the salary requirement. Only fixed salary and allowances are recognized. Non-guaranteed bonuses and incentives are not counted toward the salary requirement. Second, mismatch between education, work experience, and job position. If an applicant studied not in Korea and their major does not match the job field, the application may be rejected. However, if the applicant graduated from a university in Korea, they can apply even if their major does not match their job field, but they must justify the necessity of employment. Third, issues with the employer. Companies with unpaid taxes or a history of violating immigration laws cannot hire E-7 visa workers. Fourth, applicant's history of illegal employment or violations. If the applicant has earned significant income illegally or has a severe criminal record, their visa application may be denied. Lastly, is professional consultation necessary for the E-7 visa application? The E-7 visa covers 90 different job categories, making it a complex process. Document preparation is also very demanding, and the employment justification letter can determine the approval outcome. If the wrong job category is selected, the visa can be rejected even if all other documents are correctly prepared. Therefore, consulting with an expert before applying is the safest and most reliable way to ensure a successful application. In conclusion, today we discuss the E-7 visa, which is essential for legally working in Korea. To apply for an E-7 visa, applicants must meet specific qualifications and prepare all necessary documents carefully. If mistakes are made, the application may take months or even be denied. So it is crucial to prepare thoroughly and seek expert advice if needed. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in the next video. Thank you.